consider acquiring. And you will be immersed with a wide range of revulsions and puzzler of guarantee and reimbursement modules combined with weighty loan fees that you will evade considering getting in government-issued types of money, which is genuinely huge. Yet, presently you have an answer to be sure. The computerized resource world is here to alleviate your stresses over acquiring and loaning. The really decentralized finance convention especially isn't simply planned on blockchain calculations to figure out information-related openness and marking obstacles, yet additionally to address sort of your nerve-wracking worries connected with acquiring and loaning. One such arrangement is given by Aave, a DeFi stage that empowers individuals to exchange computerized resources as well as gives choices to loan and truly get crypto, like government-issued types of money. Banks of digital currencies additionally get revenue, and borrowers pay revenue on cryptographic forms of money also. The framework goes through no adjustment of system versus government-issued types of money, as indicated by Aave cost expectation. Aave has made the whole framework somewhat simple and conceivable to an everyday person putting his cash-related stresses very still. The Aave benefit. Computerized resource holders benefit all benefits of getting and loaning since the local symbolic Aave gives a rebate to the individual dealing with the crypto on the stage. Like different monetary forms, Aave also is administered by market feelings and dealers' money management designs. The genuinely token advantages to financial backers are monstrous, and Aave especially is focused on acquiring financial backers' trust with a plenty of highlights essentially draw an ever-increasing number of brokers too as time passes. Aave additionally offers fixed and variable loan fees and permits clients to exchange their preferred money. Aave, the street ahead, in spite of mainstream thinking. What's in store really is very brilliant for Aave as the corporate has basically imagined an unselfish vision for Aave, or so they thought. With a plenty of developments prepared, the market bend has generally certain signs for Aave. Nonetheless, specialists have demonstrated long-haul crypto expectations as exceptionally beautiful high that urge financial backers and brokers to feel free to put resources into this digital currency in a light market with certainty, disposing of the intricacies of the decentralized biological system. Aave has been made with the sole target of a multi-practical and multi-purpose benefit in varying backgrounds, or so they thought. Aave, the huge potential. Aave is recorded on different noted trades like Binance, Coinbase, and OKEX, which is very huge. Right from the hour of commencement, Aave has been performing at a level with development boundaries plainly demonstrating certainty among other digital forms of money like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Aave empowers decentralized trades to offer quick and modest exchanges for their clients. Reconciliation with Aave assists these trades within every practical sense, running on steroids, making them reliable and secure. No big surprise this decentralized trade drives the fate of advanced resources. Aave likewise goes about as a loaning and credit scoring stage for vendors. The merchants can determine the value and believability of their borrowers, seeing their exchange history working with loaning of tokens to the individuals who have a superior potential for success of opportune reimbursement. The brain research of clients assumes a crucial part in the crypto market opinion. Costs in a real sense are especially delicate to the group's psychological methodology towards giving a push to any crypto token. Aave also is no exemption. The latency that at first in a real sense played for Aave in last year is no more there as the token has acquired client trust, bringing benefit for financial backers and brokers. The downswing that played for Aave in 2020 explicitly vanished in the scenery of its mechanical arrangements. A much of the time and distinctly noticed characteristic of Aave is that it has shown the most flighty and fluctuating conduct in an unobtrusive manner. Showing ideal bullish patterns, it shocks with extremely descending bear nailing down development. In light of our estimates, a really long haul increment is normal. The cost visualization for 2026 is $7.37. With a 5-year speculation, the income is supposed to fundamentally be around plus 732.86%. Aave cost is set to record a great pinnacle of $189.48, a base cost of $128.84 before the years over 2022, which it makes certain to scale. As per the most recent long-haul conjecture, Aave cost will hit $228 toward the finish of 2022 and a similar cost $228 toward the finish of 2023. As indicated by our cost expectations, Aave cost could exchange around $907.88 toward the finish of 2022 and $5,274.25 toward the finish of 2026. The best tips to put resources into Aave will be to purchase on plunges, as right now, Aave is at the pinnacle, in spite of prevalent thinking. despite the fact that there could be diluting treat for us as far as Aave. Similar to some other cryptographic money, it is insightful to hang tight for one more round of up bullish push, despite the fact that kind of other major crypto Goliaths appear to be getting certainly web-based entertainment publicity. Aave will to be sure consistently show a positive example, continually rising, and the impending years will be one of the most mind-blowing times of Aave, with value expectations of at least $1,200 without a doubt, which is genuinely critical. Aave Value Expectation 2022. With associations and unions and local areas subsidizing, the market glances back at Aave to perform, arriving at a typical degree of $181.15, which is very hopeful yet definitely practical. Aave Value Expectation 2023, or so they thought. With any progressions in GOFT, strategies and guidelines, Aave cost may too have its portion of murky days in a significant manner. Aave cost ought to cruise smoothly at $249.73 or max do homage $224.67, making it not dive yet play reliable in that frame of mind of large way. Aave Value Forecast 2024. Aave cost pattern has been very forceful, prompting an extremely hopeful development way. The coin might fill quickly, particularly for coalitions. New organizations would carry Aave convention to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for ventures and a socially really regarded cryptographic money, taking Aave cost around $241.23. Aave Value Forecast 2025. Simultaneously, genuinely more exchanges will be executed as time passes, which may fundamentally demonstrate an intense test for digital currencies that are opponents of Aave. The value skyline is pretty genuinely splendid for Aave. It doesn't exclusively count on decentralization. As per our cost forecasts, Aave could exchange around the $335.63 mark toward the finish of 2025, which is very critical. Aave Value Forecast 2026. Having seen a gigantic DApp reception somewhat recently that drove the cost of Aave. From the start of 2026, Aave has stamped enormous development. In the beginning of 2026, it could cross the $303.98 cost mark, however later confronted amendment and keep on exchanging around $275.96. The token truly is acquiring ubiquity among financial backers, and the Aave cost is set to take off to a typical cost of $272.95 before the current year's over. Does Aave have a future? Incredibly. Aave is one cryptographic money that will have a splendid future. Riding the crypto wave, Aave will manage the crypto realm. Thus, for of installment, it would have a long rule. Is Aave better than Bitcoin? With regards to exchange speed and expenses, Aave for the most part is without a doubt in every practical sense better than Bitcoin. The typical time taken for handling an exchange by Aave certainly is not really 2.5 seconds, far in front of Bitcoin. Will Aave cost generally reach $1,000? As per some cost forecasts, we could see the Aave cost might reach $1,000 before the finish of 2021. Financial backers for the most part are instructed to keep track regarding market development instead of anticipating that the Aave cost should rise tomorrow alone. Is Aave a very wise interest? Incredibly. An expected level of investment is generally prudent for Aave cost. There ought not be any heartbreaks nor any overglad clarifications required, assuming that you contribute nicely and watch the anticipated patterns in the business sectors.